Welcome to this video about how to become a chef. Being a chef is a demanding and rewarding career that requires a lot of hard work and dedication. If you're interested in pursuing a career in the culinary arts, this video is for you. In this video, we'll go over the steps you need to take to become a chef. Step 1. Get experience. The first step to becoming a chef is to get experience in the kitchen. This may include working as a dishwasher, prep cook, or line cook in a restaurant. Look for entry-level positions that can provide you with the basic skills and knowledge you'll need to become a chef. Step 2. Get a formal education. While it's possible to become a chef without formal education, many chefs choose to attend culinary school. A culinary school education can provide you with a solid foundation in cooking techniques, food safety, and culinary management. Step 3. Work your way up the ranks. Once you've completed your education or gained some experience in the kitchen, it's time to work your way up the ranks. This may include taking on more responsibility in the kitchen, learning new skills, and working with different types of cuisine. Step 4. Specialize in a cuisine. Many chefs choose to specialize in a particular type of cuisine, such as Italian, French, or Japanese. Specializing in a cuisine can help you develop your skills and knowledge in a particular area and can make you more marketable to potential employers. Step 5. Gain industry recognition. Gaining industry recognition can be an important step in becoming a successful chef. This may include winning awards, participating in competitions, or being featured in cooking publications or television shows. Step 6. Continue learning and improving. As a chef, it's important to continue learning and improving your skills. This may include attending cooking classes, experimenting with new recipes, or learning about new techniques and trends in the culinary industry. Conclusion. Becoming a chef takes hard work and dedication, but it can be an incredibly rewarding career. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to becoming a successful chef. Good luck!